Hi everyone, today we are going to learn first lecture. I am here to teach you all I know. Let's talk a little bit about basic addition and subtraction. Hi Jessica, welcome.
Hi Santa, thank you. I am glad to see you.
Let's go inside and talk about basic addition and subtraction.
I would love to.
Today, let's learn what addition and subtraction are.
Sure, Mr. Santa.
Addition is bringing two or more numbers, or things, together to make a new total. Subtraction is taking one number away from another.
Can you give us some example?
Sure, for example, 1 plus 1 equals 2, or 1 plus 3 equals 4. In these two examples, 1 and 3 are added. 2 and 4 are somewhere total. An example for subtraction: if we have 5 apples and then subtract 2, we are left with 3. Let's discuss some examples from real life.
Sounds great. Mr. Santa, can I give an example from my daily life?
Sure.
I have an apple every day. I am thinking how many apples I have in 1 week.
Do you know how to solve this problem?
I think I know how to solve the problem. We have 7 days a week. And I have 1 apple a day. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 7. So total is 7.
That's great. I think you got it. I just discussed addition with Jessica, and she gave us a good example from her life. So who wants to give us an example about subtraction? I want to give an example. Sure, Scott.
I have 10 classmates. Jack is not here because he is sick.
So,
my question is how many students there are in the classroom?
it's a good question.
If we are 10 students and then subtract 1, we are left 9.
I just discussed the addition and subtraction with Jessica and Scott. They gave us good examples from her life. I want you to think an example from your life and comment below. Good job, guys. I love you and see you next lecture.